Hello, everyone. Welcome to Yajentio Training Academy. Today, every top company is moving towards cloud and container-based infrastructure, and the one technology that is leading this revolution is Kubernetes. If your goal is to start a high-paying IT career, move into DevOps and cloud, work on real-time production environments, then this program is designed for you. We proudly present our Kubernetes Fresher program, a complete hands-on training that can make you industry-ready in just 6 weeks. Let's explore how this course can change your career. Why Kubernetes? Kubernetes is not just a tool, it is the backbone of modern application deployment. Top companies like Google, Amazon, Microsoft, and Netflix use Kubernetes to deploy applications at massive scale, handle millions of users, ensure zero downtime, automatically heal failed systems. This is why Kubernetes professionals are among the most in-demand and highest paid in the DevOps market. Even freshers with the right skills are getting excellent opportunities. What you will learn. This program is designed with a job-oriented, practical approach. Kubernetes architecture. Understand how real production clusters work with master and worker nodes. Pods. Learn how to run, monitor, and manage containers inside Kubernetes. Services. Expose applications and enable secure communication between microservices. Deployments. Perform rolling updates and scaling without downtime, just like in real companies. Helm. Use Helm charts to manage complex applications the professional way. Tools you will master. You will gain real-time experience with Kubernetes, kubectl, Helm, Minikube, cloud-based Kubernetes platforms. By the end of the course, you will be able to deploy your own applications on a live Kubernetes cluster. Duration and learning format. Duration, 6 weeks, with step-by-step structured sessions, hands-on labs, real-time project implementation, mentor support. This is not theory. This is practical, career-focused training. Course fee. The complete program is available for just 22,000 rupees, and it includes full hands-on training, real-time projects, interview preparation, resume building, and career guidance. Who can join? This course is perfect for freshers who want IT jobs, DevOps aspirants, cloud learners, developers who want to upgrade their careers. Even if you are from a non-DevOps background, we will take you from basics to production level. Your future in IT depends on the skills you choose today. Kubernetes is one of the most valuable and future-proof technologies in the world right now, so don't miss this opportunity. Join Yajentio Training Academy and become a job-ready Kubernetes professional in just 6 weeks. Contact us today to enroll. Limited seats available. Like, share, and subscribe for more career-building programs. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.